Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tool Deals. Today is Saturday, June 27th. So today I've got two amazing deals. The first one is this one. So as you can see, this might not be the greatest deal, but I'm gonna tell you why this is a deal. But don't skip this video yet. There is a second deal, and the second deal is amazing. You're gonna love it. I already posted it once and you loved it, okay? So this is the first one. I'm gonna tell you why this is a deal. Honestly, this is the regular price. This is not $199. It's always been at $125, $130. So it's not really on sale. But let me tell you why I'm posting this deal. I call this a deal because it's back in stock. Even though it says that it's going to ship between 5 to 7 days, it's in stock now. It's been out of stock for like 5 months, since February. It's been out of stock, and not only this one, but all of them, all the Dethatcher, Dethatcher have been out of stock. This is back in stock. I think like a month ago, I posted the Sanjo Dethatcher, and it lasted just a few hours, and it was gone. Okay, and that one I showed you. Like if you go to eBay, that one time I posted for $115. And then the same day at night, it was going for like $300. They were reselling the same one, okay? So this one is back in stock. I don't know for how long. So if you've been on the fence for a Dethatcher, if you've been looking for a Dethatcher, you better get this one soon, okay? So this one has really good reviews. It's really well built. As I said in the previous video, I went to YouTube and it seems that the Sanjo one goes a little bit deeper than this one, but this one has better reviews because the quality is a little bit better than the other one, okay? So yeah, as I said, just get it if you've been on the fence. This is a really good one, and it's gonna do the job very well. Okay, so let's go to the next deal, but before we go there, just remember that you should subscribe with a little bell if you wanna get a notification whenever I upload a new deal. For example, this one, I don't know if it's going to be out of stock soon or not, but if you want to get it, you should get it soon. That's why I recommend you subscribing, okay? So let's go to the next deal. The next deal, so also I already posted this one a few days ago, I think like 2-3 weeks ago, and I told you that you can get this battery kit, 2 batteries, 4 amp hour batteries, the charger and the bag, and then you can choose one of these tools. Okay, so then I posted another deal where you can get a Hedge trimmer, and I showed you here, if you go in this list, you don't see any Hedge trimmers. Okay, the Hedge trimmer that I'm talking about is kind of expensive. It's $99. Okay, so I showed you if you go to the store and you get the battery kit in this Hedge trimmer, you could pay only $100, and that would be a deal, and you had to go to the store. But today it came back in stock. I think it was yesterday, in fact, like last night or something. So this one is back in stock. This one was out of stock. I think it lasted like a day, and then it was gone. Okay, so if you want to get this deal online without having to go to the store, you should get it as soon as possible, because this one, last time they posted it online, it lasted a day. Okay, so you would be getting the battery kit and with the charger in the bag, and the Hedge trimmer, which costs $100, and it has amazing reviews, as you can see here. So those are the deals for today. Please remember to give this video a like so you can help me grow this channel even faster. And also, please let me know if you ever gotten a tool deal from this channel, and let me know what you got, just out of curiosity. Okay? Thank you guys. See ya. Bye.